Why is Excel not good enough for doing project controls? My name is Herman Zachterleden, expert of Cleopatra Enterprise, the total cost management solution, and head of the Cost Engineering Academy. In this series, I'm sharing with you my insights on common project control issues. Now let's get started. There's hardly any tool that's more loved and hated at the same time as Excel. I recently used it to plan my vacation, and it worked great, but I will not use it to perform project controls. And here's 3 important reasons why. 1. It's easy to make a small error that has a major impact. Imagine a small typo in an embedded formula somewhere on the 20th sheet. This can easily have a major impact. And 2. Excel lacks the possibilities of advanced automation. Imagine importing data like from a material takeoff sheet or expenses from an ERP system. This easily takes a huge effort to set up, and it fails when information doesn't correspond exactly. And 3, it's hard to compare data and implement improvements. Businesses demand ever-increasing efficiency and predictability. Learning from previous projects is a must, but there is no comparing files or any other analysis beyond the obvious. However, modern project cost management software reduces these risks and automates the process. Be sure to use a tool that enables using past project information and implement the gained knowledge into the next projects. Alright, thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, follow this space.